Ciao love guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Today I'm joined by my wife, unfortunately. Just kidding. So today we're just helping out her sister who's operating a cruise ship that docked early this morning. So we're just assisting out with some of the things that we can help out of. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and we'll see you soon. So first assignment, I'm going to pick up 2 crew members that are traveling to Samoa from the airport who will join the cruise ship today. So I'm going to pick them up from the airport and then transfer them here to the So the drive from the wharf to the airport is about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on the traffic. So we'll take our time. It's only 5 to 11 now. The flight arrives at 12:30, so I just want to get there early to find a good park. So if ever your first time here in Samoa, this stretch of road will take you all the way to the airport. This bad boy. As long as you stay on this road for about 45 minutes to an hour, you'll definitely pass by the airport. Won't miss it. And it'll take you all the way to the wharf. Alright guys, so we're about 15 to 20 minutes out from the airport and still about an hour left before the flight arrives. So we've got a lot of road works going on at the moment, and that's just because we're trying to finish up the roads in preparation for Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting that'll be held here in Samoa this year. So hence why the many constructions, especially on this main road that goes from the airport to the town. Airport is in sight. That's the airport there. Still going good for time. Yep, still going good for time. Alright guys, so I came in back in the car because it's really hot outside, but I'm gonna go wait in there. I think there's about 17 more minutes before the flight arrives. So I'm just gonna sit there and wait for the crew, and then we'll join you guys on our way back to the cruise ship. Alright guys, so we just finished picking up the crew from the airport, and now we're heading to the wharf. Alright guys, just finished dropping off the crew. Trying to see if I can get a car park on the side. Ship's about to board anyway, so let's see if we can get a chance to jump on the cruise ship. Alright guys, so we're on the cruise ship. Just gonna check out the food. So just gonna have lunch on the cruise ship and then we'll head back down. But yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. If I avoid it, then I'm out. I'll do my thing. Nga ufoshian ayong olfia ayam kwali masangi kako ya fa pese ay fali pe on market. Yep, gonna head out, guys. See you soon. Kaki ayah kuangi, kaki dia masangi punya, dan ngasih ayah fuak. Kan ada masak, awal ayah. But yeah, this is my first time on a cruise ship anyway, so really enjoy it. Alright guys, so despite the rain, made the episode happen. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care.